Fighter jets. F-16, Fighting Falcon, role, multi-role combat aircraft, in service, 245. F-4, Phantom II, role, fighter bomber, in service, 48. Special mission jets. Boeing, E-7A, role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 4. Transall, C-160, role, electronic warfare, in service, 1. CASA, CN-235, role, reconnaissance, in service, 1. CASA, CN-235, role, maritime patrol, in service, 1. Helicopters. Bell, UH-1, Huey, role, utility and transport, in service, 57. Super, Puma H-215, role, utility and transport, in service, 21. Trainer jets. KT-1, Mumbai, role, basic trainer jet, in service, 40. Marchetti, SF-260, role, trainer jet and light attack, in service, 35. Northrop, T-38, Talon, role, advanced trainer jet, in service, 68. Canadair, CF-5, role, trainer jet, in service, 23. Thai, Hercules, role, advanced trainer jet, in service, 1. Unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Thai, Anka, role, UCAV, in service, 22. Bayraktar, TB2, role, UCAV, in service, 98. Bayraktar, Mini, UAV, role, reconnaissance, in service, 140. IAI, Heron, role, reconnaissance, in service, 10. Vestal, Karail, role, reconnaissance, in service, 10. Malazgirt, UAV, role, reconnaissance, in service, 4. On order. Global, Express, 6000, role, reconnaissance, on order, 4. Airbus, A400M, Atlas, role, tactical airlift, on order, 1. Sikorsky, S-70, role, utility helicopter, on order, 6. POC, Super Mushak, role, basic trainer jet, on order, 52. Thai, Hercules, role, advanced trainer jet, on order, 54. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.